Hi everyone, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Now get this, Easy Beats and Bounty Killer adding a dancehall vibe to finesse. Dancehall veteran Bounty Killer has added his Jamaican flavor to Nigerian artist Fields' popular hit single, Finesse.
Hey, where them know original life?
Released earlier today, the remix features productions from Grammy-winning producer and artist Easy Beats and Colombian producer Basso. Here's what Bounty had to say about this project and the team he worked with.
We never made direct contact working on the track. The track was sent to me in Jamaica, and I just did my part and sent it back. But it was an international track that was sent to me by Easy, and I was excited to be on the track. And also excited to be working with Easy, as we never done anything before. And you know his track record, Easy is a Grammy producer, and Finesse is an international smash worldwide hit song. It was just all joy and fun to work on the track. And in the future, me and Easy gonna do other things personal, because we had a connection and we're working on some things.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.